Namaskar and welcome to Adi Yoga. Everybody is trying to meditate, everybody is trying to do the job, the chanting. What are those points which will tell that you are going in a right direction? And what are those points which will tell that there's something not good? At least you need to know whether you are going in a good direction or not, because 99% of people, they are just following they don't know who they should worship, what kind of chant they should do according to their body type and their karmic impression, but still they do it. So you need to figure out whether you are going in the right direction or not. First of all, few things that happen. First thing, when you go for the chant, if you are going too much or you are going like whole day, you spend 1 hour in the chant and the rest of the day the chant is going in your head, in your mind, the first stage will come. Everybody on this planet hears this tiny white noise in their ear. Everybody hears it. When it's complete silent, they hear it. But you will hear this sound even when everything is loud enough. You can hear it. Some people misinterpret it as if they are going through tinnitus. There's one tiny sound in the ear which is going like ting. No, if it is happening after jap, after your chant, then it is one of a positive sign. With time, what happens when you are going for the chant? There's heaviness in the body. That is your negative impression, so-called negative. There's nothing like negative and positive. So-called negative impression goes in different parts of the body. Worst, so-called only for understanding, we are saying negative. This negative impression, higher the rate, higher the quantity, higher the value of it is, it goes higher in your chakras. If you feel your heaviness in the belly, still less, okay. It will go after some time. You should not stop. Some people feel the heaviness on the chest, still all right. It will go after some days. When negativity is too high, it goes on your head and you will feel headache and all that restlessness, lack of sleep also. Lack of sleep is a good sign though, but this is not a negative sign. It means that your chant is working and that negativity, wherever it is stored in your body, become visible and then slowly it fades away. That is the point you should not stop your chanting. That is the point you should not stop your meditations. Okay? Then comes the point when you're chanting, when you are in the right direction, sometimes you will develop, somehow you will get sick. Somehow. Either it could be your stomach get disturbed or you develop fever or something, or you'll catch cold out of nowhere. This is again a positive sign. So the very negative forces inside you are fighting. That is the point when you should not stop. Just keep on going. It's not easy. Your body is tired, you feel to rest, but still you need to keep on going. That is the point. When we understand chanting has different formulae. You can say different chant has different formula, different mantra has different formula to chant. That's why it depends what you need to chant, what kind of religion or background you are coming from, what kind of attachment you are carrying, or what kind of illness. Now let's talk about chanting, breath work, your surrender, they open up your chakras, especially your third eye. Since we made previous videos on third eye, when your third eye will open, we'll make another video on it. What you see, how to open this third eye. Yeah. So do not get into dilemma that you are struggling with health whenever you start with meditation, whenever you start with yoga, whenever you start with chanting. It's positive and keep on going. These are the positive signs. When are the negative signs? The negative signs are when these positive signs are appearing and you give into that. No, I'm feeling sick, I will not practice. No, I just don't feel it, my headache. You give into those things, it became negative. It's very simple. I hope your meditations, your chants grow day by day. If you need my consultation for this, email ID is in the description. Email ID is here, flashing here also. Just write it down. Send me an email and we will talk.